Today, we're going to show you how to create a GearLaunch all-over print product using our design template. In this video, we'll cover how to add an all-over design to the template. We'll also show you how to customize different parts of the product. To get started, make sure you've downloaded the correct product design template provided by GearLaunch. Then open it in Photoshop. When working with the design template, make sure you place your design on the correct layer for each part of the product. Make sure all of your design elements stay inside the blue line. Don't forget to mask your design for a cleaner look. Customizing a specific part of the product. If you want to customize specific parts of your product, like adding your logo to the design, make sure to place the logo within the safe zone of the template, marked by the red dashed line. This will ensure it won't get cropped or folded out of view during production. Also, be mindful of your design's direction and rotate it if needed to better fit the product. If everything looks good, go ahead and delete the guideline layer. Next, to export your design, go to File and click Export As, then select the PNG file format. Once you have your design file, head back to the GearLaunch all-over print dashboard and launch your product. As you can see, the design template fits perfectly in easy mode. This is the best way to create your GearLaunch all-over print product.